I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
When we think of comfort food, classic meatloaf comes to mind. Add a delicious brown sugar and barbecue glaze and then cook it in a smoker, and you have Texas-style comfort food. As a meatloaf cooks, it will release a lot of grease that will make a mess inside your smoker. Create a two-part pan that will maximize the smoke while it drains away the grease and keeps your smoker clean. Poke or drill a few holes in the bottom of an 8x10 aluminum pan. Then make 5 or 6 balls of rolled up aluminum foil about 1/2 inch thick. Place the balls in the bottom of a second aluminum pan, and then place the pan with the holes directly on top of the aluminum foil balls. The balls will create a gap between the pans to catch the grease. Set up your grill for indirect heat and preheat to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using a big green egg or Kamado Joe, place an aluminum pan half filled with cold water on the deflector plate. If you're using a different charcoal grill, place the half-filled pan of water on the cool side of the grill. Cook the chopped onions until they're soft and translucent. Then add the remaining ingredients for the onion mixture and remove from the heat. In a large mixing bowl, combine the eggs with the panko breadcrumbs. Then add the ground beef and the onion mixture. Using clean hands with gloves, gently mix to combine. Don't overwork the mixture or the meatloaf will be dense. Transfer the meatloaf mixture to the aluminum pan with holes and shape it into a loaf. Meatloaf is very porous and will easily absorb smoke. Good lump charcoal will produce enough smoke to flavor the meatloaf. For extra flavor, add a small handful of wood chips that have been soaked in water for 30 minutes. Place the meatloaf pan directly on the grate. Allow it to smoke for 3 to 4 hours. While the meatloaf smokes, combine the barbecue glaze ingredients in a small saucepan and heat on medium heat until smooth and slightly thickened. During the last 30 minutes of cook time, brush the tangy barbecue glaze generously over the top of the meatloaf. The glaze will caramelize, creating a rich, delicious coating. When the internal temperature of the meatloaf reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the smoker and let it rest for 5 minutes. For the most flavorful meatloaf, choose ground beef with a lean-to-fat ratio of 80 to 20. Also, reserve some of the barbecue glaze for dipping. This smoked barbecue meatloaf is a delicious main course that combines bold, smoky flavors with a tangy barbecue glaze. That's how we do comfort food in Texas. You can find the link to the recipe in the comments below. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.